Time to get ill.
एक साल से ऊपर हो गया तुम्हारा चेहरा देखे, बहुत मिस करता हूँ। ऐसा लगता है तुम्हारे बिना मेरी पहचान कहीं खो सी गई है। मैं हर सैटरडे तुमसे मिलने आता था और मानो हर मुलाकात के बाद एक नया कॉन्फिडेंस, एक नई फ्रेशनेस होती थी। बहुत याद आ रही है तुम्हारी। ये दुख काहे खत्म नहीं होता। तुमने मेरा बहुत साथ दिया है, पर अब ये लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस इज नॉट वर्किंग आउट।
Open the curtain.
The coffee machine is ready.
If I love you, I'm gonna love me too.
Play yoga song
And
list.
if I like what you wear, I'm gonna look good. Because I love myself and everybody else. And you should love yourself like I love you too. Ooh, love me like I love myself. Like I love myself. Like there ain't nobody else. So come on, love me like I love myself. If the music's good, you're gonna play it loud, right? And if there's something good about you, I'm gonna shout it out.
Party mode.
Don't be afraid, 'cause I love myself and everybody else. And you should love yourself like I love you too. Ooh,
Time for
love me
bed.
like I love myself.
Real me, dare to live.
Noise cancel.
Now I'm gonna say once and I'm gonna be nice. Just get out of my ears, 'cause I ain't asking twice. You're gone, your opinions and all of your views. Just keep it to yourself, I got enough of your blues. So talk to my hand, talk to my palm. Mess with the real me and you'll be gone. So talk to my hand, talk to my palm. Pretend to be different when I ain't no pop. So talk to my hand, talk to my palm. Mess
أنا عمر مؤمن ريل مي فان من مصر وباركور أثليت. بقالي سنين كتير بتعب وبتمرن عشان أوصل اللي أنا وصلت له ده. والباركور رياضة مش عادية، يعني ملهاش مكان معين بتمرن فيه.
Mi nombre es Cristina, soy motion designer, fotógrafa y también fan de Realme. El arte, el cine y la fotografía han formado siempre parte de mi vida.
My name is Rahul and I'm from India. I'm 18 years old, so I'm a college student and I'm a freshman. I enjoy going out a lot because me and my friends love seeing new things.
Я мейкап-артист. Во время диджитал-эпохи каждый хочет выделиться на фоне остальных, сделать свой вклад, проявить себя и показать свою работу миру.
Aku Nasya, aku adalah seorang menari dan Realme fan dari Indonesia. Aku menyadari selama terus berusaha dan tetap percaya diri, aku bisa melakukannya dan semakin dekat dengan impianku.
Realme is a company that's very energetic and enthusiastic, and they always want to help the customer.
Realme para mí no solamente es un teléfono, es una herramienta para inspirarme, que siempre va conmigo y me ayuda a diseñar.
دلوقتي لما ببص على نفسي في المراية ما بتهزش زي زمان، بالعكس ثقتي في نفسي بتزيد، وريلمي كموبايل ساعدني على ده.
Smartphone Realme juga jadi sahabat setiaku dalam merekam dan saksi pada setiap kemajuan dan perkembangan diriku.
Когда мы были маленькими, то за нас многое выбирали наши родители. Теперь я знаю, к чему меня тянуло всю жизнь и кем я хотел стать.
Juntar la belleza con una tecnología sólida es posible siempre y cuando te atrevas a dar un paso más allá.
And best of all, they want to improve, which is why I love Realme.
Dare to be creative.
Dare to be parkour athlete.
Dare to be enthusiastic.
Dare to move.
И Realme помогает мне реализовать потенциал в полном объеме.
Dare to be Realme.
We get told, wait your turn. Follow the rules. Know your limits. But I hear it inside me. That voice, ready to break free. Dare to be a rebel. Let's go. A misfit. Dare to step out of line. Dare to be the one.
Always wanted to be.
Be a fighter. A creator. A dreamer. Because nothing can stop you. If you dare to be. Real me.
Hello everyone, we meet again. Last week, we had a blast taking you through our new Narzo and AIoT products. I'm glad that I get to catch up with you again and introduce you to some cool, exciting stuff that we've been planning. I hope you guys are keeping safe, and please take good care of yourselves and your loved ones. Realme prides itself on being the tech trendsetter, and as we've grown, so has our vision. AIoT is a key component of Realme's long-term vision and growth strategy, as it is set to transform the way young people live and work in the future. We've entered the AIoT 2.0 development phase with the advanced 1 plus 5 plus T strategy. The new 1 plus 5 plus T strategy is a progression from the previous 1 plus 4 plus N strategy, and further expands Realme's AIoT ecosystem and product portfolio. 1 plus 5 plus T is defined as one smartphone, as Realme smartphones are at the center of its AIoT ecosystem. 5 key categories for Realme's AIoT products, including the True Wireless Stereo, that is TWS, wearables, TV, laptops, and tablets. T stands for Tech Life, Realme's open partner platform, which aims to support innovative and dynamic AIoT startups through the sharing of Realme's own sales channels and supply chains, etc. Tech Life focuses on 3 product categories: smart entertainment, which means TV boxes, projectors, speakers, and game accessories; smart care, that is vacuum robots, air purifiers, and body fat scales; and smart connect. Example, smart plugs, smart sockets, smart light bulbs, and cameras. Connecting the dots is the Realme Link app, the center of Realme's AIoT ecosystem. In the future, all products will be connected to Realme Link to bring a complete AIoT experience to the users. Our Realme Link application sits at the center of our Tech Life and acts as the control app for all our AIoT products. From the date of launch back in March 2020, we've added over 14 products on the Realme Link platform. The Realme Link iOS app also paved the way into a new user base for us on the Realme Tech Life ecosystem. Now, within this period, we have amassed over 2 million plus Realme Link users and are growing by the day. The technology demands of the youth is growing at a breakneck speed. Everyone wants the comfort of a smart, modern, technology-led, seamless lifestyle. Realme understands the unique demands of the youth and has the aim to launch 100 new AIoT and lifestyle products in 2021. We've already unveiled some key offerings, and trust me, there are more thrills and surprises in store. Realme is committed to 100% Made in India initiative. As you know, our smartphones and smart TVs are already manufactured locally. With time, we also want to initiate domestic manufacturing for our vast range of AIoT products like smartwatch in our own country. We are in talks with more OEM partners, and you'll hear more about this soon. And don't just take my word for it. We've seen a tremendous response from our media friends as well with our AIoT foray. All-around package, great design, amazing performance, value for money, best-sounding TWS products, impressive viewing, punchy colors, offers bang for the buck. These are only some of the many compliments that have been showered on our AIoT product range by the media fraternity. Today, I'm very excited to wow our fans and users with the all-new Realme Tech Life accessories in the personal care category, Realme Hair Dryer and the Realme Trimmer series. We would also be launching the Realme Buds 2 Neo. But before that, you must have known today we have a new friend with us, the first brand under Realme's Tech Life ecosystem, a name that you have been hearing from the last couple of days. Yes, you heard it right. Dezou would be launching their amazing products today as well. Together, we want to make a contribution to the world by introducing more versatile technology products. Now, I would like to invite Bappy from the Dezou team on stage.
Thank you so much, Sri. And a big hello from Dezou to everyone out there. I'm glad to be part of Dezou's first ever product launch event in India. But before I start, I would like to thank all of you who showed so much interest in Dezou, loved us, and supported us. We are immensely grateful to each one of you. We are also thankful to Realme for choosing us as the first brand under Realme Tech Life ecosystem. Again, I should express our gratitude to Realme for letting Dezou share the stage with them today. Dezou is strongly committed to its consumers and with the support from Realme in 3 key aspects, which are industrial design, supply chain, AIoT experience that works perfectly fine with the Realme Link. We aim to bring the best of both the brands. At Dezou, everything that we do is done keeping in mind the various needs of our different consumers. And so we say, Dezou is here to provide the smart tech life for every different you. Besides the technology and product design expertise, we also understand the importance of after-sales support. Therefore, even before our first product launch in India, we already have established a presence of over 320 service centers covering more than 310 cities across India. You can visit our website dezou.net for more information. We'll be entering into 4 major product categories, which are smart entertainment, smart home, smart care, and accessories. And today, we'll be unveiling 2 of our innovative products under the smart entertainment category. Quickly moving to the first product of the day. It is one of my personal favorites, stylish and trendy in design with great specs and most importantly, at very competitive price. So ladies and gentlemen, unveiling the very first product by Dezou designed for the next gen users, the Dezou GoPods D. Friends, it is going to be the best TWS earbuds at its price point. And I can't wait to tell you everything about this amazing product. Without further ado, let's start with the design. Personally, I've seen a lot of products under 2K or even 3K that are available in the market. And frankly, I did not like those dull-looking and bulky designs. Now look at some of the pictures of Dezou GoPods D. Compact and premium design and definitely stylish and trendy. They are available in our all-time favorite colors, black and white. And I'm sure that they are going to fit right into your fashion statement. The mesmerizing radial metallic texture on the earbuds further accentuate the beauty in exquisite detailing and gives it the trendy and premium look, crafted specially to the liking of our young and stylish generation. These dense concentric circles of 0.2 mm precision mimics the music waves, thanks to our advanced engraving process. Further, the charging case is designed in a way that it complements the simplicity and elegance in you. You will find these earbuds very comfortable to wear, even for long hours of use, as they are designed according to the ergonomics of most people's ear contours. And yes, they are as light as they look. A single earbud is only 4.1 gram. You'll hardly feel its existence when it's in your ears. The charging case, along with the earbuds, weigh only 39 gram. So, whether you keep them in your pocket or a bag, consider they won't be any burden to you at all to carry around. But hey, these earbuds are not only about design and looks. I'm sure you all know that a driver is the core of any audio device. And bigger the size of the audio driver, the better the sound quality will be. In this price segment, the standard size of the driver is 6 mm or 8 mm. But you'll get more in the Deizo GoPods D, that is a 10 mm large bass boost driver to ensure that there is booming bass and great audio experience. Accompanied by the Peak Plus TPU polymer composite diaphragm, music will sound rich, smooth, and incredibly powerful, as if you are actually listening to live music. Just as the driver lays the foundation of sound quality, professional tuning is also needed to make the final audio output great. I'm glad to tell you that the Deizo GoPods D enjoy Bass Boost Plus algorithm that is specially tuned by the masters of audio engineering from Deizo and Realme. They come with over 10 years of experience working with top audio brands in the world. Now, the powerful audio specs call for extraordinary battery life. Otherwise, what's the use? Well, that is why in the Deizo GoPods D, you'll get 5 hours of non-stop music playback and an amazing 20 hours of music playback time with the charging case. In other words, if you use them for 3 hours a day on an average, you'll have to charge them only once in a week. This again has one of the best battery lives in its segment. For someone like me who would sometimes forget to charge it, we need just 10 minutes and we are sorted for the next 120 minutes. We did not just stop there. We have a lot more for the users. There's a feature made specially for the gamers and binge watchers. It is called the game mode. And when turned on, it can give you up to 110 ms super low latency, which means you'll be able to fight a fierce battle in the game or watch your favorite shows without any audio hindrance. When it comes to calls, the environmental noise cancellation algorithm in the Deizo GoPods D efficiently reduces the ambient noise from your background during phone calls. I'm sure this feature will take care of your work from home or study from home requirements by reducing the noise coming from fans, ACs, and other home appliances so that you can be heard loud and clear in your presentations and conversations. Further, it comes with Bluetooth 5.0 technology that gives you stable signal, long transmission distance, and low power consumption so that you can enjoy your music without any of such concerns in your mind. Also, thanks to instant connection technology, the earbuds immediately connects to your device as soon as you pick them out of the case. This is so convenient and time-saving. You just have to pick them up, put them in your ear, and you're good to go. There are intelligent touch functions as well to further ease things out for you. Also, you do not have to actually hard press on it till the button on the earbuds click, like in some of the earbuds available in the market. Just simply double tap to play or pause a song, and answer or hang up a call. Triple tap to play the next song, and so on. Icing on the cake, we also have support from Realme in terms of connectivity. That is, users can simply latch on to the Realme Link app to personalize their Deizo GoPods D, such as adjusting sound effects, customizing touch functions, and updating the firmware to better align the earbuds with user habits. I like to exercise every day and sweat it all out along with the music of my choice. But if there is sweat, you may also worry about damaging your earbuds. Well, do not worry about sweats or water splashes when you use the Deizo GoPods D, as it features IPX4 water resistance. They're not just any ordinary earbuds. As you can see on the screen, the Deizo GoPods D have gone through some tough lab tests before coming into the market. All thanks to Deizo and Realme engineers for ensuring the best quality. Before we move on to our second product, let's watch the Deizo GoPods D video. not be not on the top of your list of earbuds, and you'll definitely agree with me. Friends, we ask you to be different, to be you, when it comes to choosing a technology for yourself. So here, we are bringing a different option for you. Trendy, lightweight, comfortable, and powerful. Our second product for today, the Diezo Wireless. We understand that there are consumers who would also prefer the neckband design earphone, and this product is exactly for them. To give you more options to choose from, we have the right shades of orange, black, blue, and green. All of them look so cool and are ready to complement the uniqueness in you. And I'm sure these earphones are definitely going to be one of the trendiest earphones available in the market to use and even to look at. Not just the trendy looks, the neckband also boasts of a lightweight design. Only 23.1 gram along with skin-friendly PTE, the wireless offers a comfortable feeling around your neck and the ears. No foreign body sensation, no shedding, and no swelling further adds to your listening comfort and all-day use. Memory metal is another cool thing. It lets you enjoy the magical automatic rebound experience. The neckband will never go out of shape or harden due to time and use. And every time you put them on, you'll feel like wearing it for the first time. Using the magnetic fast pair technology, you'll have to just simply separate the buds to continue the track and clip them together to disconnect. Saves a lot of battery too. But my favorite is the metallic click sound that it makes on clipping. Just like the Diezo GoPods D, you get powerful bass in the Diezo Wireless 2. Equipped with an 11.2 mm large driver, it strengthens the bass and as a result gives you more compelling music experience. The Bass Boost Plus algorithm that I talked about in the Diezo GoPods D, tuned by our masters, further strengthens the bass to be more dynamic and layered. We would never want to hinder or interfere in your music experience, and therefore, we gave it a 150 mAh high-capacity battery that can give you non-stop music playback for up to 17 hours on a single full charge. It uses Type-C charging and only takes 2 hours to fully charge. If you ever forget to charge it in advance, just put it on charging in the morning while you're getting ready, and it will be enough to cover your travel time. In short, it can give you 120 minutes of playback in just 10 minutes of charge. Sync errors will never come in between your gameplay or while you watch your favorite shows. The Diezo Wireless also has the game mode, and once turned on, gives you up to 88 ms super low latency. The environmental noise cancellation feature is also there to ensure that the high-definition voice recognition and call quality is maintained during your voice calls, conferences, and video meetings. Again, thanks to Realme, the Realme Link app supports Diezo Wireless as well to personalize your earphones. Being IPX4 water resistant, the earphones can take water splashes coming from all directions or all the sweat from your shreds. Diezo did not stop there and ensured to run some extensive tests along with Realme on these earphones to ensure that top quality products reach to the consumers. Both the products do great justice to their respective categories, and I want you all to leave your feedback on the comment section about the products after I unveil the price and offers to you. Starting with the first one, Diezo GoPods D, with so many exciting features including trendy and premium design, radial metallic texture, 10 mm bass boost driver with Bass Boost Plus algorithm, 20 hours of music playback, game mode at 110 ms super low latency, environmental noise cancellation, Realme Link app support, intelligent touch controls, and IPX4. These TWS earbuds are definitely a steal deal. And the Diezo GoPods D will be sold on Flipkart and select retail stores at a price of just Rs 1,599. Sales to start from 14th July, but that's not it. For the first sale, you'll be able to grab the Diezo GoPods D at a special price of only Rs 1,399. The last but not the least, Diezo Wireless. There are so many exciting features for the neckband earphone lovers, trendy and cool colors to choose from, flexible and lightweight design, memory metal, magnetic instant connection, 11.2 mm large driver with Bass Boost Plus algorithm, 17 hours of battery life, game mode with 88 ms super low latency, and environmental noise cancellation. Now the Diezo Wireless to be available on Flipkart and select retail stores at a price of only Rs 1,499. Sale will start from 7th July. Further, we have a special price for our Deizo wireless earphones as well, and that is just rupees 1,299. Both the products are amazing. They suit two different consumer choices and come with the most competitive prices. Friends, we'll continue to bring more and more product options for every different you. In fact, one such surprise is for those consumers who are overlooked by technology preferences. Do follow us on social media for more information on this. That's it from my side today. Thank you so much for your patience. We'll come back soon with more exciting products. Till then, be different. Over to you, Shri.
Well, how great was that? Thank you, Bappy. To provide our beloved Realme fans with a quality lifestyle, Realme has explored and developed more and more LifeCare AIoT products since we started our AIoT journey. And we aim to bring a high-quality lifestyle to young users. Continuing with this trend, this time we have brought a series of products to provide an amazing experience to the daily lifestyle of our users. The first set of products are the Realme Beard Trimmer series, through which we are delivering two options, Realme Beard Trimmer and Realme Beard Trimmer Plus, both of which are outstanding products. Let me take you through the features of these two products. Let's start with the Realme Beard Trimmer Plus. As the name suggests, this trimmer comes with some cool pro features. The Realme Beard Trimmer Plus comes with 40 length settings that can achieve a 0.5 mm precision with the help of 20 and 10 mm limit comb that lets you express your style more precisely. Now, when it comes to trimmers, nobody hates anything more than having your trimmer shut down halfway down your face. Hence, battery is very important. In terms of battery life, Realme Beard Trimmer Plus comes with a runtime of 120 minutes of cordless use with the 800 mAh battery packed in. So if you use it for 10 minutes for one trim, you'll be able to use it without charging for up to 12 times. The trimmers also have an LED battery indicator that shows the battery level to you continuously, so you'll know when it's time to charge the trimmer. That reminds me, unlike your regular trimmers in the market, the Realme trimmer features a convenient Type-C port, and you can even use it while being plugged in. So anytime you start trimming, we'll make sure you finish it as well. Realme Beard Trimmer Plus also comes with self-sharpening blades. That means you don't need to worry about replacing them, ever. Staying true to the name, Realme Beard Trimmer Plus is also equipped with two tips for more precise trimming and allows you to carve the shape of your beard precisely how you'd want it. The Realme Beard Trimmer Plus takes another step ahead with the IPX7 water resistance rating and can be washed almost completely. The trimmer also operates at less than 68 decibels, providing you with a quiet and comfortable trimming experience. When you do have travel plans and you want to take your trimmer along in your backpack or suitcase, you don't have to worry about it accidentally turning on, as it comes with a travel lock which can be operated with just one click. This ergonomically designed beard trimmer is also made of skin-friendly ABS material, which makes it lightweight and easy to hold, and also provides a comfortable and flexible grip, making sure your beard comes out near perfect. Now let's talk about Realme Beard Trimmer. We've made sure that we keep the basics same, and just like the Realme Beard Trimmer Plus, it also has a runtime of 120 minutes, a Type-C charging port, self-sharpening blades, and more. But let's talk about a few differentiators of Realme Beard Trimmer. The Realme Beard Trimmer comes with a 10 mm limit comb for 20 length settings, while still achieving a similar 0.5 mm precision. The Realme Beard Trimmer is also equipped with one tip for precise trimming. Also, with a washable head, the stainless steel blade of the Realme Beard Trimmer helps you make sure that your blades stay clean and fresh. To summarize, the Realme Beard Trimmer Plus comes with 40 length settings, 120 minutes runtime, 2 self-sharpening blades, corded and cordless use, IPX7 rating, safe travel lock function, and more, wherein the Realme Beard Trimmer comes with 20 length settings, 120 minutes runtime, self-sharpening blades, corded and cordless use, and a washable head or blade, and a safe travel lock function as well. Now that we've talked about the beard, let's talk about the hair. And this next product, it's a beauty. It's called the Realme Hairdryer. Let's first look at its astonishing and minimalist premium design, pure white color, and premium and elegant look. Now, taking a look at all incredible features that it brings along, The Realme hair dryer is designed to provide a 5-minute quick drying experience for long hair. We've equipped the Realme hair dryer with 1400 watts of power and a motor that spins up to 19,000 RPM, allowing the hair dryer to blow hot air up to 13.8 meters per second, which is the natural equivalent of a level 6 wind. The most important thing about a hair dryer is that it should be able to dry your hair quickly while keeping them healthy. A traditional hair dryer can take up to 10 minutes to dry long hair, which is a time-taking and inefficient process, honestly. We at Realme want to change this today. To give your hair a more comprehensive and deeper care, we've equipped the Realme hair dryer with an advanced negative ion generator. It can generate up to 20 million negative ions per cubic centimeter. As we know, the static electricity in the hair causes the hair cuticle to open, which increases friction and accelerates moisture loss from the hair. The negative ions applied to the hair can reduce static electricity, help the hair cuticle to close, reducing moisture loss in the hair, making the hair much softer and less frizzy, therefore improving the overall quality of the hair. That being said, for situations when you do have more time to spare and prefer to blow out your hair gently and slowly, we also offer 2 wind speed levels to match your needs. So did you notice the temperature range of 55 degrees Celsius? This temperature is actually a healthy golden temperature for hair care. According to research, a temperature of 55 degrees Celsius effectively dries and protects the hair, leaving the hair cuticle in a relaxed state. The Realme hair dryer can also precisely control temperature so that it does not overheat, ultimately reducing hair damage. The Realme hair dryer comes with a V0 flame retardant ABS and high-grade polycarbonate material, which provides a good insulation structure to give users a completely safe experience. As far as safety is concerned, Realme hair dryer consists of 3-layer mesh consisting of an air inlet grill, an inlet mesh, and a nylon mesh. This design ensures that the hair doesn't get sucked into the hair dryer. Let's review it in full. Minimalist design can dry your hair quickly and in a healthy way with the use of the right temperatures and negative ions, and of course looks good while doing that. Next, let's look at the Realme Buds 2 Neo, a more affordable deep bass producing earphone. The Realme Buds 2 Neo adopts Realme's classic and streamlined design. We also chose the gear-shaped TPE material to avoid the wire getting tangled. For sound, we adopt the largest driver in the price range, 11.2mm dynamic driver that makes the bass richer and deeper, delivering a crystal clear full-range sound. Besides, the Realme Buds 2 Neo is convenient for daily use. One simple button controls various features remotely. With just one click, you can play or pause the music and answer or end a call. There is also a high-def microphone built right in as well, which ensures you have clear and stable call experience anytime, anywhere. We will be launching this in a new color as well to give more options to choose from. Now, I hope you like all the products that we've launched today. And now it's time to look at the prices, which I know all of you have been waiting for. The first ever Realme Trimmer series puts the salon in your hands and gives new panache to your grooming. The Realme Beard Trimmer Plus brings 40 length settings with 0.5mm precision, 120 minutes battery runtime, 2 full stainless steel blades, simultaneous charge and use, IPX7 water resistance and low noise operation, and is priced at only Rs 1,999. First sale begins on 5th July 12 PM onwards on realme.com, flipkart.com and soon in offline stores. Realme Beard Trimmer brings the power of 20 length settings with 0.5mm precision, 120 minutes battery runtime, full stainless steel blades, simultaneous charge and use, washable blades, and is priced at only Rs 1,299. First sale begins on 5th July 12 PM onwards on realme.com, flipkart.com and soon in offline stores. Realme Hair Dryer, the newest, elegant and cool accessory on the block, features 1400 watts of fast and efficient drying, 20 million negative ions hair care, 55 degrees Celsius thermal protection, ABS heat-proof material, 3-layer hair protection and 2+2 precise heat and speed settings, and is priced at only Rs 1,999. First sale begins on 5th July 12 PM onwards on realme.com, flipkart.com and soon in offline stores. Realme Buds 2 Neo turns up the bass with its 11.2mm dynamic driver, excellent bass performance, fashionable design, tangle-free cables, 90-degree angle audio jack, HD microphone, and is priced at only Rs 499. First sale begins on 1st July 2 p.m. onwards on realme.com, flipkart.com, amazon.in and offline stores.
Now don't miss to buy any of these amazing products. Stay safe and take care.
Realme, dare to leap.